Hi there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be seeing how to create a mirror cube and some of the options associated with it. Before we get into the video, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification and support the channel by sharing the videos as well. Now let's get straight into the video. So we are creating a solid model. So for that, first go to create sketch, select the top plane and top orient it. Draw a rectangle, center rectangle and give the dimension as 55 mm, tab 55 mm and press enter. Now it's done. Go to finish sketch, extrude it and just give the distance as 55 mm. Press enter. Now it's a cube having a side of 55 mm. Now we have to split this cube. So go to construct, select the top plane or select the bottom surface. Okay. After clicking the construct option and drag it up or give the dimension as minus 24.5 and press enter, and this make it visible so you can see a new construction surface here. Again go to construct, click the surface, drag it up, give minus 18.5 mm. Now that part is created. Again go to construct option, click this side, your right side and drag it and give the dimension as 16 mm. Okay, sorry, minus 16 mm. Minus 16 mm. Press enter. Again, give construction. Just drag it. Give the dimension as minus 19 mm. Okay, and press enter. Now it's a mess, but it's okay. Just follow the step. Okay, and we have to make one more construction, two more constructions. Now select the construction option. Select the front plane or the front surface, this surface, okay, and just drag it in and give the dimension as say 9, minus 9 and press enter. Again go to construction option, select this plane and again just drag it out and give the dimension as negative 18.5 mm. Okay, 18.5 mm, and finally that's it. And we have to check one more thing, and that is go to inspect, select this particular plane and select this edge, and you have to check the distance. It should be 27.5 and that's fine. Give close and that's it. Now let's split this body into smaller volumes. So for that, let's drop down the construction. Just switch off all the constructions that we have created, switch off the origin also, and select the first two constructions. Now go to split body and select the entire body as the body to split, and the splitting tool is these two surfaces. So you can see this entire body has been split into two different bodies. Give OK and just switch off this one. Now you can see already three bodies are created. See, 1, 2 and 3. Now we have to switch on the next two construction lines. Go to split body, select this body and this body. Okay, and the splitting tool as these two construction surfaces. Give OK. Now see, again some more bodies have been added. Now just switch off these two construction options and finally switch on these, the other last two construction lines. Now what you have to do is select the split option and just select the entire body. Okay, and the splitting tool is these two surfaces. Give OK. Suppose this split tool is not available here, just go to modify and you can just find the split option here, split face. Okay. Now click here and scroll down and hide the construction planes, and also just click here and go to select, selection priority, select edge priority and select the entire body. Now all the edges have been selected. Go to fillet option and give the fillet radius as 2 mm. Now you can see it is just creating it. So you can see here, right? And give OK. Now let's give the appearance to each body. So go to body and right click any one of the body, click appearance So what we are planning to give is, we are going to create a golden Rubik's cube with a black paint background. So first you have to select, it is already in the selection mode. You just scroll down and press shift and select body 54 here, or the last body. Now the entire body has been selected. Now I have already assigned the materials. You can just drag from here under the paint option, glossy. You can just drag and drop here, black paint, and also in the metals option. In metal option, gold is available. Drag and drop it here. Now select the paint black and just apply it here in the entire selection. Now the whole body has been changed to black paint, right? Now you have to select this individual faces. For that, make sure you have to click this face option and select this individual faces. Press Ctrl and select all these individual faces everywhere. You may not see the selection, but press Ctrl and select all these faces and just drag and drop it here. You can see it has been added. Now I will just add similarly in all the faces, and I will show you how it looks finally. So this is how the mirror cube looks after you give all the appearances to all the bodies. Now just home orient it, adjust this one and go for render. Now adjust it and give in canvas render. Now you may have a lot of questions how the background is like this. For us it is not like that. See, rendering is a different topic, and it has a lot of commands to cover. So I will do a separate session on render so that you will understand all the commands. So for now, just wait for it to get rendered, and I'll show you the final image and how it looks. Yeah, so that's it. Now this is your mirror cube, and this is how exactly it looks if you buy a product. So it is not even in the excellent rendering form, but still it is giving a good quality image. You can see. Now I'll show you one more thing. I'll adjust some of the bodies, and I will just mix it up, and I'll render it and show you one more image. Okay, it will take so much of time, so I'll just make it and I'll show you. Now I just use the move command to mess up the cube, and this is a shuffled cube, and this is how it exactly looks after you shuffle it. I'm just giving the render, and after that I'll show you the final quality image. And this is your final rendered quality image of the mixed up mirror cube. Hope you like the video. Just try it out and let me know about your comments. Once again, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification, and support the channel by sharing the videos as well. Thank you.